one of my goals for 2026 is to get a little bit more personal and share more about what we're doing, what's happening in our family, and just get a little bit more personal on YouTube. So let's talk about it. um, so this is Caden. He is the newest addition to our Charm City Riders family. I know y'all have come and watched Michaela grow up with us as you watched us mature in our real estate journey. And so excited to add Caden to the UKTA bunch. And in 2026, I'm hoping on YouTube that you guys can just get more of the behind the scenes from us as a family, Khalil and I, Michaela and Kaden, our projects. So we have some really exciting things happening all across Baltimore right now. And one of the things that I think that at least publicly folks don't get to see is just our process, what we're doing, how we work together, the challenges that we find ourselves in. And so, you know, from real estate, if you've been following, especially on Instagram for a really long time, I used to go live from projects. You guys used to watch me talk about contractors and rehabs and all of those types of things for a really long time, right? For years, I was just out, outside, right, in the streets in Baltimore getting these projects done. And it's crazy how much we've grown because, to be honest, most of 2025, I spent in the house. I didn't go to a lot of the projects. Khalil was doing that himself, just running the projects, at least in person. And then I play backup at home on most of the projects. But, we've matured, right? We have more of a team, we have more support. And I think it's not only helpful for us to share that with folks who are just getting started, kind of the things that we learned and how we went through that. And of course, our Next Gen Accelerator, our mentorship program, our coaching. Am I boring you? Our coaching program, where we're helping folks to get started and scale in their real estate when they're doing, not only vacant properties, but maybe trying to develop lots or getting into doing larger projects like blocks and RFPs and grants and all that kind of stuff. We're doing that next gen. But publicly, I'd like to be able to just give a little bit more behind the scenes and give folks something to stretch towards, right? We're not all going to start and just go out and just buy a block as the first project. I highly advise against it. Don't do that, please. Um, but that is a goal that a lot of people have. And so, with our projects being right now being new construction townhomes, so we're building 54 new construction townhomes a few blocks from Johns Hopkins Hospital in a neighborhood we have named Eager Landing. So we are actively working that project now. And so over in that area, you'll start to see homes being put up. And, we're turning, what was a challenging story of folks being, moved out of a neighborhood and, vacant properties knocked down to vacant land to now being able to create a new community and have some affordable housing and hopefully bring folks back. I can't wait to start talking about the opportunity to return to the neighborhood for those who were impacted by that. So, more to come on that. Something I'm really passionate about, and Chloe and I were really passionate about when we took that project on. And we're also building an apartment building in Remington. And so in Remington, we are working with Seawall Development to build a new apartment building. And so we want to share some of those projects that we are actively working on throughout 2026 to not only talk about what we're doing and how that project's going and things that we're learning along the way, but also just like what that does with what that means for Chloe and I and how we work with each other and the kids and how they're impacted or not and all of those types of things. So my goal for 2026 is that we are sharing more behind the scenes of just Charm City buyers and all of us, and so hold me accountable to that. So if I am quiet on YouTube, you're not seeing new videos, feel free to comment. I am the one responding a lot of times. And so comment, remind me, hey, I haven't seen you in a while. Post a video, ask a question that I can respond to. My goal is that we are getting active on YouTube and so and just kind of building deeper conversations beyond just kind of the highlights that we do on Instagram. So hopefully that sounds good to you. I'm really excited about it. I'm excited to interview Khalil. I'm excited to get back and expand our podcast, right? Keeping the charm in Charm City. If you haven't watched those interviews, honestly, they're pretty darn good with some of the other developers and people who are doing great stuff in Baltimore. So make sure you check those out. Definitely want to do a new season of that in 2026. And I want to have Khalil on. I want to talk to Khalil. I want to interview him. I want him to interview me. Talk to Michaela about her experience watching us do all this, right? And, when it was fun to go to mommy and daddy's houses and then when it wasn't, right? Now that she's a darn near a teenager, it's different. And so I hope that sounds fun to you all. I'm really excited about it. Also, to come in 2026, we have quite a few events that we'll be doing. So, our Charm City bus tour we will have throughout the year. So every quarter there will be a bus tour. We're starting with the first one, CIAA weekend. The second one will be during our Mobilize Baltimore conference. If you're not familiar with that, definitely go to mobilizebaltimore.com where you can learn more about our annual conference. This year's going to be huge, so you're not going to want to miss it. And then we'll have the bus tour again in Q3 and Q4. Speaking engagements, we will be listing dates as they pop up for events that we'll be speaking at. Excited to again have a national and international opportunity to speak this year again. So excited to do that. I mean, it's just there's so much fun stuff happening. There's so much fun stuff going on. And there's a lot of work to be done, right? Our Next Gen Accelerator has been killing it. They are still doing about $10 million a year in real estate in Baltimore. We have folks who have been approved to do blocks for Department of Housing and Community Development in Baltimore City. We have folks who are approved developers for Baltimore City. We have folks who are just buying up properties all over the city. And so through the Next Gen Accelerator, we have built one of the largest fires of residential real estate in Baltimore City. And we're doing it the right way, right? There's not, we have all these people buying up houses. They don't actually get them done. They're tricking people into giving them money. No, 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 no. We're actually buying houses, renovating, getting them done, and providing quality, affordable housing, right? And turning vacant houses into homes. And so we're proud of that. And I really want to also share their stories more because folks don't really know and understand how deep the work is that we've been doing, not only ourselves in the streets in Baltimore, but through our community, where now we have folks sitting on real estate boards and working at different organizations. And so there is a next gener in most rooms. You just never know. So really, really excited about 2026. And I'm excited for you to join us on the journey. So here is Mr. Caden at the end of 2025. Hopefully at the end of 2026, I can do another wrap up video and tell you what to expect for 2027. See you there. Mhm.